Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you an example of using the separate time scheduler for scheduling piano lessons. Here is the scenario. A piano teacher has 6 students coming in for lessons this afternoon. Her students are at different levels and need different levels of support, so certain lessons may be longer or shorter than others. She is available to teach lessons from 3 to 9 p.m., and she asks her students to fill out their availability during this time period. Here are the times that the students are available to have their piano lesson, as well as the length of the lesson for each student. With these availability times, we have to find separate start and end times of the lesson for each student for the day. To get started, we can head over to Snug Scheduler and click the Explore tab. Now we want to use the separate time scheduler here because we want to continuously schedule the students so that all the times are separated and do not overlap during any of the one-on-one sessions. For this example, we are only going to create a schedule for one particular day, but you can also generate a schedule that spans multiple days. Since the teacher is available anytime from 3 to 9 p.m., we'll right-click and choose Select All to select the entire time range as applicable. Then we'll move on to inputting the available times for each of the students. Let's add a slot for the first student, Abigail, and we'll make her red. So her appointment is going to be 40 minutes, and it ranges from 3:10 to 4:10, 4:50 to 5:50, and 6:50 to 7:50. Let's repeat the same thing for the rest of the students. Now that we've finished inputting their availability, we can go over to the Options menu on the right and click Run Solver. So it was able to generate a schedule that accommodated everyone for the full duration of their lesson. Abigail is scheduled first, followed by Benjamin, and so forth. We can hover over each of the colored segments to see each student's time slots. You can try the separate time scheduler yourself right now. Start scheduling over at snugscheduler.com.